All right, so we're going to start on our project DAO. So here we have our project DAO class, which extends DAO base. And then right over here are all of our constraints. This SQL statement will insert values from project object based to pass to the inserted object method. The question marks are placeholder value for parameters passed to the prepared statement. Right here is where we obtain a connection. This is where we set project details as parameters. This saves the project details, and this is where we obtain a project ID. This is where we commit a transaction. This is where we set a project ID. Right over here, the catches the exceptions. Project service. So this method, project DAO, calls the DAO class to insert a project row and returns the project object with the newly generated primary key value. Now I'll go to projects app. We have our scanner up here. Right over here, this will be printed in the console. So if the user knows what selection to make, so add a project is our only selection at this time. This method processes the menu. This displays the menu selection, gets a selection from the user, and acts on the selection. We have a try catch in case of an exception. All right, so this create project gathers project details from the user. Here we have a big decimal method with a try catch in case an invalid entry is input. This allows the user to exit the menu. Right here, get user selection, prints the operation and accepts user input as an integer. This returns the user's menu selection. We have try catch in case the input is null. Print this get string input, prints the prompt and gets input from a user, and then print operations prints each available selection on a separate line in the console. Now let's show you that it works. So first I will enter ABC, which will not work. We got an error, and if I press enter, we're exiting the menu. We'll run it again. I will do another thing that will not work. Enter a 5, not valid. Press enter, we're exiting the menu. Let's run it again, but actually do it right. We'll enter 1, project name. I'll just do test. Estimated hours, 3. Actual hours, 5. The difficulty, this one's a hard one. I'll do 5. Enter your project notes. I'll just do notes. All right, here we go. Here we have everything and that we should have at this point, and it works. That's it.